Keep your coffee fresh and your coffee maker running smoothly with Barkeeper's Friend Coffee Maker Descaler and Coffee Maker Cleaner. Here's what each coffee product does. Barkeeper's Friend Coffee Maker Descaler removes mineral scale that clogs your coffee maker, which reduces water flow and impacts the brewing cycle. Barkeeper's Friend Other Coffee Product, or Coffee Maker Cleaner, removes oil and tannin buildup for fresher tasting coffee. When used separately, one after the other each month, they keep your coffee maker well maintained and ensure fresh coffee. Unlike vinegar, BKF Coffee Maker products offer an efficient, complete, and odor-free clean. Pick up your Coffee Maker Descaler and Coffee Maker Cleaner today for the best results and a fresher cup of coffee every time.